Hey there, farming enthusiasts! Welcome back to us, the channel that brings you the latest and greatest in modern agriculture. Today, we've got something truly mind-blowing in store for you. So, stay tuned as we unveil the agriculture machines that are on another level. The tractor is equipped with four-wheel drive and features hydraulic wheel spike adjustment, providing excellent traction and minimizing wheel slippage on various terrains. The following machine utilizes cutting and pulling mechanisms to gather green pea pods from the crop, after which the harvested peas are processed through a mechanical conversion system to separate them.
ये मशीन सीढ़ियों से ऊपर 100 किलोग्राम तक भारी सामान ले जा सकती है।
These are the tastiest strawberries I have ever seen. The level of automation within this system is truly remarkable. After being harvested and thoroughly dried in the field, the grass is baled for convenient collection and transportation to the storage facility. The roller system assists in pushing the bales to the rear face for the new bales. Operating this machine demands a high level of operator skill to expedite the harvesting process. And next up is the renowned John Deere 9 RX640, a modern tractor integrated with the most advanced technology and powered by a robust John Deere engine. The garlic, along with the soil, is conveyed onto a belt and then passes through a mesh shaking mechanism, which offers efficiency and time-saving benefits to the farmers. These garlic bulbs will have to undergo rigorous processing procedures before being brought to the market. I've never tasted a tomato this delicious before. This automated apple picking robot is the creation of the startup Robotics Plus with the goal of increasing fruit yields. Its flexibility and 360-degree rotation allows for high work when using this machine to excavate water pipelines in large fields. A machine designed for cutting tulip flowers in tulip fields. This device features three circular shaft blades with sharp edges that are used to trim the flowers. Cabbages are transported to the storage compartment for ease of transportation. With its relatively simple design, it has accelerated the cabbage harvesting process. Modern machinery can harvest up to 60 tons of cabbage per hour and can be adjusted to harvest different types of cabbage, including white, red, and Savoy cabbage. After harvesting, tons of mangoes will be transported to factories for packaging or juice production. The rotation and cutting mechanism assists in lifting plants from various positions conveniently, ensuring smooth and trouble-free clearance. The watermelon conveyor belt allows people to work with minimal physical movement, as they can simply stand still and carry out their tasks without excessive mobility. This machine leverages advanced technology to efficiently cut and harvest, directing the harvested crop into a separate unit that removes impurities and debris through a sophisticated cleaning system. I heard that this year's harvest has been very successful. It's great to see the machines are still working well. The next step involves using barrel lifters to transport these carrots into the factory for washing, processing, and packaging. The equipment is designed to efficiently handle substantial quantities of broccoli, thereby saving time and labor costs. This machine can efficiently process large trees, cutting and transforming them into wood blocks as desired.
Power of engineering. That's amazing.
Peanut harvesters are used to gather peanuts, and the leftover shells, once separated, are transferred into a container truck and then transported to the processing factory overnight. Have you ever thought about harvesting grass in a field of nearly 1,000 hectares? The outer shell is removed with mechanical or manual shelling methods. This grape species, available for sale worldwide, is priced at $50 to $60 per kilo.